How to fix ChatGPT not working problem. So guys, this problem facing this ChatGPT not working problem. So how to fix? Follow me my step and solve your ChatGPT not working problem. And ChatGPT error problem how to fix. And follow me my step and solve your ChatGPT not working problem. So guys, first step, long press and ChatGPT application and click now I option and I info option and clear data option click now and clear all data option click now and OK option tap now. Go to back, open your Play Store app and App Store app and search now ChatGPT app and update now your ChatGPT application and your problem 100% fix.